All right, good morning, people. Good morning, everyone. What's going on? Welcome back. Cool. All right, let me get everything fired up here. What's going on, everyone? Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday? Happy Thursday. I don't think it's Tuesday today. Happy Thursday, everyone. Let me just sort up the screens here. All right, let's get that chart there. Hourly 30. And let's move the screen over here. All right. Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back. Apologies about the delay, guys, but here now. I'm just going to get... Just get the Zoom guys in here, and then we will get started. We will get started today. Alright, there's Zoom. Good day to you, man. Good day to you too. Good morning from Kenya. Good morning, man. Alright. I haven't missed too much yet. I was watching this hourly. We haven't missed too much just yet. Nothing's really happened yet on gold, but there is some nice levels for the day. There are some very nice levels. Alright, let me bring these guys over here. Yeah, daily levels on top step. Yeah, very cool, man. A very, very cool feature. A very cool feature. Alright, good morning Zoom guys, welcome back. Good morning everyone.
Recording in progress.
Right, let me just see if this is going to work. No. Good morning guys, good morning. Let me just... Okay. Hiya. Cool. Alright, I'll let everyone join in guys. Give me 2 seconds. I'm just going to grab some water and then we will jump on. 2 seconds. Cool. Welcome back everyone. Alright, let's jump straight in and have a look at Goldie here. Let's have a look. So kind of see here on Goldie, you know, yesterday we closed bearish below this 2400 level. Sorry, Tuesday we closed bearish below it. Yesterday we came up, we retested it, and then had a nice little sell-off. So today we're pretty much, I mean, unless we close with a fake out today, then buys tomorrow. But today we're looking to see if we can get that sell-off to at least come back down and grab some daily lows. There's a tiny little bottleneck on the daily, but it's not very much. It's that little that I could just say that there's no bottleneck on the daily. Because how often do you still see the daily close with something like that? Maybe once or twice here, but it's very rare. It's more likely that we'll still come down and create a pretty decent bottleneck on this daily. Excuse me. So potentially looking for some sells on gold. Overall, what's this 4 hours saying? Yeah, 4 hours probably going to come and need to re-grab these highs actually. If we're going to see that dip down, you're probably going to have to re-grab the highs. Been creeping up here so far today. Look at this, big rejections. People trying to jump in shorts. Keeps pushing up. Kind of create this little morning star here to the lows. Yeah, there you go. Now you're grabbing them 4-hour highs. So if you do want sells, we want to see gold actually close bearish. The lower time frame here on gold is bullish right now. It's very bullish actually. Hourly's bullish, 30 minutes bullish, 4 hours bullish. Yeah, look at that flip on that hourly. Look at that. Flip of that hourly, 27 ticks. Huge. Very nice hourly support being held there. Yeah, grabbing 4-hour highs. Nice little push there. So yeah, if we want to sell stay on gold down into these areas, we're not going to be taking any sells just yet. This is bullish. We've been bullish for all of Asia. You just come down here pre-London, grab these hourly lows, held the support, and now you're re-breaking higher. So no sells just yet. Excuse me. Look at that crazy amount of rejections to the downside here on gold. Held the support 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 5 times it held that support and now pushing higher. That's a very, very strong level. A very, very strong level. Let me make this chart my 15. Yeah, 15 ripping as well. 15 was pretty nice. Coming back to that 2400. I'm probably going to come and grab these highs here. Drop down to the 5. Yeah, big rip on the 5 as well. Get a little trend line coming down. Squeezing out that trend line. Yeah.
What is Goldie on with? Look at this.
Yeah, it's booming. Big push. Big push. Got the flip of the 5. Yeah, nice. Nice, man. Yeah, this is huge. From that support, you're already up like over 80 ticks. It's crazy. Now you're tapping into that 2400 level as well. Big level. I'm getting fucking ill in this cold weather. I need to go back to the sunshine. Out for 25 ticks. Good man.
Sound a little bit sick.
Don't.
It's that UK summer.
Fuck it. I'm absolutely fucking livid. It's absolutely pissing down.
Yeah, it's horrible.
No call for me this week.
If it makes you feel any better, it's been pretty overcast today with light sprinkles of rain.
No, it isn't actually, because I would take that. It's absolutely fucking torrential. Fuck.
Out for 45 on the flip of the hourly. Done for the day. Amazing, man. Yeah, flip of the hourly was beautiful, man. Good trade. 25 and sunny. Nice. And that's Australia winter. This is supposed to be UK summer. 32 degrees in Spain. Nice. 34 in Bangkok. That's crazy. Oh.
It's amazing how it just like daily and 4-hour levels, you can just trade into them and it sort of, obviously you can't say it has to, but when that new 4-hour opened, it was pushing down and hadn't grabbed the highs.
Yeah.
At 239,650. And I was like, this could just be a big bottom wick. It just ripped.
Yeah, it's clean. Very clean. Even the hourly was beautiful. Gonna have that trend line coming down here as well. Most people probably trying to jump in these shorts here. But it's also, I'm not going to be buying here. So way too big of a push for me to want to buy here. So we're going to need to give it some time today, I think. After that, it'll probably do this for the next however long.
Even though it's not something we normally refer to, could have, because obviously it's accumulating there. That could be that like little manipulation, and then, as you said, it could be the sell-off.
Yeah. Hopefully. Should probably lock out after that
Just
scalp.
do whatever it wants.
Yeah, I mean, if you got this big push here, that's your trade for London. Definitely lock out if you got that position. That's your London. Let me see, Harry. Let me see, man. Let's have a look. Nice. Look at that. That's amazing. That's sick, Harry. That's sick, man. I like that.
Oh, what a setup!
Yeah, 6 out.
I've seen those online. That just like clips onto the back of your laptop. Hey.
Yeah, they're very cool.
Yeah, that's the one, man. I got it on Amazon. It wasn't too expensive as well.
That's sick, man.
That's classy. Is that somewhere in Asia?
Yeah, I'm in Penang, man.
Ah, sick. How good.
Yeah, it's a 6 spot.
Are you coming over in November?
No, I'm probably not going to make this one. I just started a business, so I sort of have to stay in the country for the next few months just to be contactable. But hopefully Bali next year.
Absolutely.
Nice.
But Da Nang's stunning, man. I spent like a month living there last year.
Carry out the weekend. Yeah, you got enough monitors, no more. Alright guys, give me 2 seconds to grab a tissue. No bottom wick on this 30-minute yet. Breakdown, I've already done the breakdown, man. How's that 30 looking? Yeah, 30's closed. 30's closed strong. No bottom wick on this 30 minutes. Could be re-grabbing the highs here. Yeah, top step, X is the best. Bet and trade a bit, yeah, it's way better than trade a bit, man. Way better than trade a bit. Much easier to use, man, that's for sure. Much easier to use.
I was surprised with how good the internet was in Thailand, to be honest.
Yeah, it is very good, yeah.
I think they know that like they need it to be good, otherwise people just simply won't go there. Because you walk into a cafe and most people sitting on a laptop.
Yeah. 100%.
And you got Harry with his warship set up in the corner. So good. I wonder if anyone's ever live traded from a submarine.
We could be the first.
Submarine retreat.
I need Goldie to re-grab these highs if we're going to see anything here. But to be honest, I can't shoot. I can't shoot against this now, so I can't buy it here. So
You wouldn't full margin after the 80 tick rip.
start loading up some cells. You wouldn't fight the markets.
Auto filled. How's cattle doing?
It's a great question. Right. Not very well. No, we're still booming. Yeah, we're still booming. Business is still booming. Ooh, S&P come back down again.
Some buy opportunities there.
Yeah, huge.
Or it's not financial advice though. Oh yeah, don't summon him, Kate. You'll get him back.
I couldn't help it. Well, I thought it's kitty, so there you go.
So good.
Alright, you've set me off now. Alright, that's it. You said that.
Load up the womp womp.
In Europe. On Saturday, I'm going to Europe, Sean. Until Tuesday. And I'm flying back to Australia.
How have you found the jets over there?
The who?
The jets.
The Jets?
Yeah, well, how you been flying around? How are you finding the jets over that side of the world?
Well, to be honest, I haven't actually done much. Yeah, you need to get over here and start plane
No
watching.
PJs there. I know an app.
Get yourself to London, do some plane watching. Bought a few K of Bitcoin out there.
Oh yeah. Where's Chow? Is he here? Let's see. He's here. He's listening. Here he. I'm gonna type this in chat because I don't want to say it out loud, but
Bought a few K too. Yeah, nice. Where's it at? In fact, I had a pretty decent recover off 55 again, and 50. 50 was a pretty decent bargain, to be fair.
Look at all those liquidations though. Just
Yeah.
before the liquidity got there too. That would have been painful for a lot of people.
Yeah, look at that weekly. Yeah, 50,000 was a great level to buy. A very good level to buy.
going to 100k.
100k by the end of the year, easy.
What's Dogecoin been up to?
I'm short on gold. What do you think? I have no idea. What is that? Day trade, scalp, swing trade? I have absolutely no idea. Need more context than that, man. It's really good, easy to use. Yeah, really easy to use, man. It's probably one of the best futures platforms for traders just starting out, man, because it's so easy to get used to. You're grabbing 5-minute lows here. If you can start to reflip bullish, you may have some longs.
Because there's sort of equal highs there in a way.
Yeah, I don't know where else could you come up into, because this is a big strong level.
It's interesting too. There was no top wick on the 4-hour candle at the pretty much 23,400 level, and it's come up to create that.
Yeah, I see that. Yeah.
If we get sell-offs though into like, 2380 or that sort of thing, that'd be huge.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, it'd be massive. I don't think we have any unemployment claims today. I think that's about it. Where are we? Yeah, unemployment claims 130. Nothing else. Yeah, Sierra chart's gonna be good. It can take a long time to get it set up to how you like it. You gotta play around with it a lot. I see some people who have set it up really well, but it's very, very hard to do. You re-grabbed the previous 5 lows here on gold. What time is it? This is the last 5 of the 15. I mean, I look at other markets, but not to for any reason to do with gold. Just out of curiosity. Yeah, it's ridiculous. 16 bands. Yeah, that's not trading simple yet. Yeah, same as me. Yeah, they are actually. Sitting almost at 200. Very well so far. Pulling back quite nicely here. Pulling back quite nicely. Put it back on the combine. Been crushing the demo. Yeah, it's good, man. Yeah, demo's good, but for a very short amount of time. I honestly trade demo for like a month max. I mean, I only trade demo 24/7, but for you guys. Demo makes me super anxious. Yeah, I never really traded demo personally. Maybe a little bit. Wait for this 5-minute close in 2 minutes here. It's 15 close as well.
To look at buys, I'd probably have to now close back above like that pretty much 23,400 level, because it sort of closed back below in that middle of all the chop where there's not really many clear targets.
Yeah, I agree. Set stop loss is easy too. Yeah, it's very, very easy. Yeah, it's very easy, man. That's why I like it so much. I think it's one of the best platforms for people starting out in futures trading. Look at this hourly now here on gold. This could be really nice. Selling off from that 2400 level, kind of create this sort of left shoulder. Here's your head. There's that right shoulder. To maybe pull back would be ideal, because that's the only thing I can kind of see right now. 15's about to close in 20 seconds here. Psychology ruining my trade. Yeah, that's it, man. That's what demo doesn't teach you. Demo doesn't teach you psychology. Being profitable on demo and then doing that in live markets is a whole different ballgame. Same as backtesting. If you get really good results backtesting, you're not going to get the exact same in live markets. You're going to get like a fraction of the same. It's good to help you see the same things, but it doesn't teach you psychology.
The same as challenges to fundeds.
Yeah. What's the date today? 8th.
Just think the challenge is, just think that it's your money.
Mm-hmm.
That's I was talking to Mark. I need to reply to you as well, Mark. I was flat out yesterday, sorry. Just as soon as I started thinking that this challenge or this funded count or that's my money, it is mine.
Mm-hmm.
The whole outlook just changed for me, and I didn't do silly trades. I was very in the moment, and I didn't waste any of it, So it just wasn't like, oh, it's only $20 or $40, I'll just start again. It was like, no, this is my money I'm wasting. And it just changed it all for me personally.
Exactly. The one thing I found with like funded compared to combines, on a funded you're so happy taking the base hits, like your 15, 16 ticks, or you get up and you might not hit your exact risk to reward and you're like, well, that's my money, and you lock it in. Whereas obviously sometimes with the challenges you go in for Hail Marys because people can get in the mindset of you just want to pass it to get to it, but
Yeah, 100%.
But that's how they obviously make money. That's how the business model works with it. So I think though the best practice for the guys that are working to funding, like Alan said, treat it like you would your funded, because even if you get a funded account through not doing it properly, the minute you get funded you'll just blow through it.
Yeah, you just blow it, yeah, 100%. For most people think getting a funding challenge is going to be the solution to their trading problems, but if you're not consistent, you're not consistent. Having a funded challenge is not going to help that. It's going to create more stress, to be honest.
Yeah. Yeah, it's very difficult. I think it can muck up your psychology too, especially if you haven't had a funded before and you know how you trade with it. And then you're doing challenges, you're just more inclined to, you've got that thing in your head, it's a challenge, and you get your funded, and sometimes like, oh, okay.
Yeah, 100%.
What now?
Yeah, the evaluation part of the FX ones are like harder than the initial challenge.
What's the one with top step again? You have to have like $200 or 5 days or something?
5 days, yeah.
5 $200 days to get your first
It's
payout.
just like, so what's the point doing a challenge? You know what I mean?
You tell, man.
Yeah, I will. Yeah. Just, yeah.
Yeah, I know, it's true. Yeah, it should be a little bit less than that, I think. So true. I have friends that go hard and they blow 3 or 5 fund accounts each time, but the 2 that get blown do so big profits. Yeah. Yeah, each pair. Yeah. The good thing is with the 5 $200 days, which I messed up on the first time, is like you don't have to hit them in one go. So it's like if you're up $100 on a day, it's so easy to think to yourself, well, if I just get up $100 more, then I could get one of my $200 days. It's like, now, if you're up $100 on a day because that's all the markets gave you that day, just lock it in.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you start revenge trading.
Exactly. That's huge.
That's how I messed up my first top step. but you don't have to hit
The
the
other
$200
thing-
in one go.
I've found is usually, you know, your first idea or your first trade of the day is usually right as well. Because you obviously come with that fresh analysis. You have days where, you know, you say you take a long, you get stopped out, so you flip short, that gets stopped out, and you're sort of a bit scrambled, and then it ends up going long as well.
Yeah.
But if you can get chopped up so easy as well, it's just a constant mental battle. But it's what I like about trading. You learn so much about yourself.
100%.
Oh, is that true, Sean?
What's that?
Ah.
Yeah, absolutely, Brian. Absolutely, man.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, biggest over trading. Yeah, most people do overtrade. And most people overtrade because they're on a challenge or something. Like if you're trading personal, you wouldn't be overtrading. So you kind of need to do this. Like Alad said, you need to treat it like it's personal.
Yeah. Yeah, 100%, Brian. Exactly.
Is there another funding company that doesn't have the silly 200? I might try FT Morgan.
Yeah, I think it's still good. It's a long process, but they are good. It's a very long process.
Alpha's been good. I've had a couple payouts with them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just in Canada. I was the blinking pig that was trying out all these shitty challenges before. I was just, I don't know. I've heard loads of Alpha though. Loads of people with them.
Yeah, the biggest, I think the biggest killer, you know, you look at profit targets, but it's actually your drawdown, because like with some of the other ones, you get a 10% drawdown, which means you essentially you've got like a bigger margin. Whereas if you only got like a, whatever it is, 2% or 3% drawdown or 6%, I'm not sure what it is off the top of my head. But every model's different. I think, but like you say, Aaron, personal's the long term. If you are getting payouts, you want to funnel that into a personal.
Yeah, 100%. That's always the long term goal.
It's gonna.
Absolutely.
You know, industry's gonna change.
Do you trade your FT Mo top step 50-50, or do you lean more to futures? Nah, honestly, the FTMO gets left behind most of the time. This month was like the first month I maybe traded it once last month, and I've traded it once this month. But the FTMO is kind of more for like day trading as opposed to scalping.
You've had some bangers on that though, to be fair.
Yeah, I've had that count since when did I pass it? Let me see.
Wasn't it you did it through March and April? Was it Feb, March?
Yeah, so I passed the challenge in February. I passed the verification in March. I had a payout in April, May, June, and now August. I get a payout on it next week. I can't recommend brokers, unfortunately, man. It is illegal for me to recommend brokers. 50, trying to push down here. 5 minutes trying to push down. I was looking to see if we can get this 5-minute flip, but let's see if we close. See how we close. Absolutely. But in my opinion, is TraderVate good? Yeah, TraderVate's good, man. Yep. I tell you what I personally use for futures, just Ninja Trader, in my opinion, is better. First love was the YouTubers. Absolutely. See how it's 5 minutes going to close here. Well, Ninja owns TraderBait, so you can just use the exact same web platform as TraderBait. It's the same web platform as TraderBait you can use on Ninja as well. Let's see, how's that 5 closing? Not a bad top wick. I would sell this 5-minute flip, but you know your target to take this 5-minute flip is what? 6 ticks away.
Do you remember when you were being a heavy and smacking 10 contracts?
Yeah, I know. That was on the futures days. Yeah, I need to get back to that.
Heavy.
I want to get to 15 and 20 eventually.
That's crazy.
15 and 20 would be the goal. 15 and 20 is huge though. Yeah, 10 on gold is huge. If we did take this, if we took this flip, we'd be looking something like this. You'd have to be break even here. It wouldn't be worth securing. I don't think you're going to rip all the way down to here from here though. I don't think so. Oh. 55, 15. Two or 5 micros. Yeah, that's good, man. Just takes time. You get there over time, man. Slowly scale it over time. Just a psychology thing you need to go over, man. But you get there. Yeah, don't want to blow. Yeah, that's good, man. Smart. 5 minutes trying to come back up here. Not looking for anything just yet. Like this 30 doesn't really tell me too much. You're at support, you're at resistance. Here's your support, here's your resistance. So you're in a bit of a tricky range. Trying to see if this 30 can give us more volume. This hourly is about to close in 2 minutes as well. I mean, if we start getting back above like these areas, yeah, definitely longs, yeah. If we can start closing bullish. The stronger we push up here, the stronger this hourly close will be. Which can be good, because then we get an hourly bottom wick and we can still go long. See, still looking pretty good. Close up a little bit more, close up a little bit stronger than that. And you could still have buys for the next hour. Always a challenge, yeah, absolutely, man.
Another reason why I love jumping on these Zooms, right? It's like so many people are coming in and helping out and giving their thoughts and
Absolutely, man.
like past experiences, and we can all learn from them, right?
Absolutely.
Even YouTube. You know what I mean? It's all for free. The value you get through these is unbelievable.
100%. Too much value. The
Crazy how
just
much it's
closed.
grown too.
I know, it's good, man.
I remember when there was or even when I joined, obviously Alan's been here since day dot. It was how many people on Zoom? Like a handful.
Yeah.
Back in April last year.
Yeah, we used to do
I remember
Zooms of
when
like
there was,
2 people.
20 people in the community and we didn't even do the Zooms.
Yeah. I used to do. Me and Alan used to do Zooms and maybe like just me, Alan, maybe one other person.
All your mates. Did that mean you put your own W's in the chat?
Yeah. So hourly did still close kind of bullish here on gold. But you kind of instantly create a top wick. You know, I do like buys to fill in this wick, but you kind of want to see a little bit more of a bottom wick than that. Same as the 30. 15. 5. I mean, maybe if you get a strong little 5-minute close, you could see some bongs. What the fuck is going on?
There it goes.
100% sure. Mark support and resistance on the weekly? Nah, I don't really mark support and resistance on the weekly, man. I'm not swing trading, but just scalping. I mean, I have my, you know, key levels on the higher time frame, like the 100 levels. These, that's pretty much it, man. But no, I don't really mark on weekly support and resistance. Strong 5-minute close here, you may have some buys on gold. You're looking like you're going to come and re-grab these previous hourly highs. And that may have been enough of a bottom wick, apparently.
There's a nice little, that whole 3, that'd probably be a trend line too on a lower time frame as well. That'd be like a very small time frame.
Yeah. We did have, we still got this one coming down. As long as we don't rip the highs from here, we can still get it.
Pretty heavy level too at that 2400, obviously being a pretty key level. If you look left, there's a lot of reactions from that level too. So
yeah, you hopefully can give us just a quick little pullback, and then we can long. Where would we have to be in from to make it worthwhile?
That's what I'm looking for.
Like I say, if we break even there, where would it have to come down to? At least here.
One
stop
minute.
loss there.
Alright, TP one hit, guys.
Yeah, you in that?
And you
You're
in?
not.
Womp womp.
Where are you?
Technically, there is actually another, I'll send in the chart, there's another trend line coming across pretty much right where price is here from the higher time frame.
Yeah,
Getting a
I
nice
like that to be
reaction.
grabbed. I like that no trade range there as well.
Yeah, it's got to be clear.
Yeah, insane, eh? We eat also. Let's see, 5-minute close, not the biggest, but you are creating liquidity up there. You definitely, Sean, yeah, it is, man, it is. But because we understand the liquidity, it kind of, we can afford to take that, because I imagine most people will be trying to short here now, putting their stop loss just above this high, looking for this big play down. So if we can buy up into this liquidity, then that would be, it'd be a risky trade because you haven't closed above it yet, but we are still kind of, yeah, there's nice push up, you pull back, you grab the lows, you close above.
Ticking boxes.
Huge stop loss is great for your psychology. Helps me sleep at night.
You can't lose if you don't close the trade.
Just got to say, no stop loss, no loss, and then markers under that. Great mind.
So what are we looking at? If we took the flip of this 5, I don't have anything in here just yet. If we took the flip of this 5, that's about 20 ticks. Do we have the volume though? That's the only question. Do we have the volume? Get rid of that. $15. Because if you took this little 5-minute flip, you risked off that previous 5 low up into there. You got about 20 at least. We try and spike it up more. The only thing is, if we're going to have the volume or not. The 15's not looking the best just yet. Even if this 15 closes bullish, next 15 bottom wick, and then it would kind of make more sense.
How many ticks at wick fill?
About 20. Which is quite nice.
Are you in this?
Aaron, you in? Put a profit and stop loss order on X. Just the opposite orders of whatever you're doing. Like if you're buying gold right now and you want to put in a stop loss, you just put in a sell order. If you're not actually tagged into the trade yet, you can just do them manually. Or, you know, if you're already in the trade, then you can just drag and drop them. But if you're putting in a buy order and you want to put in the stop loss before you get tagged in, you can put in a buy stop and then a sell limit down here.
What's Goldie on me?
Yeah, look at this 15 now. 15. I was skeptical of.
It's doing that thing where it grabs lows, closes bullish, and grabs highs, closes bearish.
Yeah.
Throws your hay.
Tricky. You got 3 30-minute equal highs up there now.
I was going to say, now that it's rejected like that without grabbing any of those highs, there'll be, and particularly that level, the 2400, there'll be so many people shorting with stops above there.
Definitely. Let's have a look at let's have a quick look at tilt. Let's have a quick look at tilt. Now, hold on, man, hold on. 60% people long, 40% people short on gold. I think it's going to change pretty soon. I have never used it, Matthew. I've never used it, man.
Have you been having a few pints, Aaron?
Yeah, a bit too many. Only like odd 1 or 2. Nothing.
Good man.
Nothing crazy.
Wet the whistle.
I need to go back to a hot country. It's too cold up here.
Yeah, I suppose they do drink beer in cold countries. Because like over here, obviously, it's a hot day, you have a cold pint. What if it's a cold day, you have a cold pint? Do you just get colder, or is it warm you?
Yeah, I think you do. I think you get colder.
Surely there's some science behind that.
You go on to the picture
Business,
then.
business. Ala, do you get the cart girl on your golf course with sandwiches and beers and stuff?
I don't know, they're always covered up in rain gear, so I don't know.
He's the cart girl.
Buy stops on TradingView. Yeah, you can put buy stops on TradingView, man. Yep.
Do you not have those, Ala?
No, it's too cold to have those. It's always raining.
Mate. The cart, it's 8:30 or 8 or earlier. They come around beer time. Yeah, right.
Yeah, right. If I have to. Yeah, I played yesterday. Only a couple of holes though.
What are you up to, Goldie? What are you up to? Yeah, I'm gonna have to see how this 15 closes. Past 15-minute closed bullish. Now you're looking like you're gonna close back bearish. 30's grabbing previous 30 lows without grabbing any of the highs. Yeah, 100% they will.
It's definitely not just a support zone, it's that other thing.
Yeah, no, not at all. It's nowhere near support. You don't understand. Just a little bit of a range here, but it's expected. You're going to range after this massive push up. So what we said, you have this 80 plus, 70 plus tick push up, but you're not just going to keep ripping. You're going to create a range. 2 minutes to this 15 is going to close here on Goldie. 2 minutes. Where am I now? I'm up in Scotland, man.
What part do you in Scotland?
Hey.
Where? What part?
Yeah, it's a good.
No, I just don't want to say it out loud.
Mr. Worldwide. Oh, yeah.
That's where my friend lives, yeah.
He's probably not even in Scotland, he's still in Australia.
Yeah, there's all a green screen behind me.
When there's Instagram.
It's one big green screen.
So you got a mighty fresh cut too.
Absolutely. It's all part of the green screen.
Got the haircut filter.
Different part of the world every week. Yeah, I'm back in Australia next week. Man.
Oh, you're not that far from me.
Hey?
You wouldn't. Oh no, you're going. You wouldn't be that far from me, to be fair.
Yeah, I'm going up to Edinburgh, Glasgow, and then to Europe.
Yeah.
Nah, I don't trade Forex now.
I know where away.
Oh, really?
Yeah. that mean you're staying?
Hey,
Does that mean you're going to stay now?
absolutely. When do you come up on the weekend? Did you say?
Yeah, Sunday.
Nice. 15, nice bearish 15 close there on Goldie for the first time. So if we get a top wick and start looking for some, maybe some shorts. It's kind of difficult because you're into such big support levels now. Yeah, there's a nice huge grab at the previous 15 highs. Closing bearish, but you know, what are you shorting into? Nothing. Just hoping for the best.
It's crazy how close different countries are. I just looked at where you came from to where you are now.
Yeah, proper close, man.
Like driving.
It's the good thing about being in like the UK and Europe is that you can literally just hop on a plane or hop on a train and go
Just
like anywhere.
Under 2 hours to get there in a different country. That's mad.
Literally completely
It's like
different.
me driving from like here to the Gold Coast.
yeah, it actually is, which is crazy, but it
Crazy.
is. Completely different climate and everything.
Yeah, summer here is an absolute fucking joke. It's like 28 degrees. That's cold.
Yep.
Get over. Cold.
Mate, that's freezing. I'm in a
There he is.
Mate,
Are you real?
No, he's already turned into a German. He's arguing already.
What is it today? Today it's this isn't what's what? It's 17 degrees at 9:17,
that's beautiful.
and it's getting to a top of 24. This is summer in Germany. This is fucked.
Is it actually like? I swear it like feels different though. Like it actually kind of feels warmer.
No,
not?
it's weird out here because in back home, back in Oz, like the hottest part of the day is midday, right?
Mhm.
But then it stays, or it keeps getting hotter to the end of the day, where it's like 4 or 5 p.m. and then it starts to get cooler again. So that's really weird.
Yeah.
Beta weather in Wales. Go on then. You were.
Yeah, because
That's
it's not
the
that
weather.
it's not that warm. That's why. That's why I'm not going to go into do it.
How cold is it there, Alan?
I want to look. 16 degrees.
Oh yeah, okay. So we're 1 degree warmer. That's not bad.
Yeah, it's 14 here.
Still hoodie weather.
Yeah, hoodie weather for sure.
Yeah, it is.
Found it. Here we go.
I go London Sunday from Dallas. Oh, nice man, that'd be good. And then Germany, nice, very nice man.
I reckon we'll chip in and get Howard these
Oh my
for the next
God.
golf tournament.
They're brilliant.
Yeah, travel and trading Switzerland would be mad content. Yeah, it would be mad amount. Well, I'm trying to get a European visa. But yeah, it would be sick, man. It would be sick. Yeah, Switzerland would be amazing, man. All of Europe's beautiful. And Brexit was the worst idea in the world.
Absolutely.
It was the stupidest decision in the world.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, this is why I don't want to short here on gold. Because you take sales here on gold on this 5 minute, like where's your target? Where you're selling right into resistance, support. And you get back into here, things get very ugly in here. My favourite country, yeah, it's Syria. Yeah, I'd love to go, man. I've never been. I've never been.
It's pretty nice.
Is it? Yeah.
Yeah.
take some coin with you. Yeah, I've heard it's expensive.
I think I paid $20 for, or just under $20 for a beer.
That's crazy.
Yeah, it was fucked.
What's that in pound?
Oh,
Roughly, or
10
euro?
to 12.
I think it's about 12 euro.
Holy cow.
Yeah.
Yeah, 20, yeah, it's about half. Yeah, 20 Australians, £10, £10.30.
Jesus.
Yeah.
I've done winter in Europe and Canada. I spent 2 years in Canada doing a working holiday.
Yeah, it's sick.
In Canada or Europe?
180, that's crazy, man. That's like Jersey
The,
prices.
the cold in Canada is different. It's like a dry cold. Did you find that, kid?
Yeah, it was. I think the coldest it got was like negative 21 degrees on the mountain, which is that was like bone chilling. That was bad. But when you're inside and when you're in a hot tub on the balcony, it's fucking sweet.
Still trade with FTMO. Any thoughts on them? Yeah, I still have an FTMO account, man. Yep. They're still good. Still good. Not for scalping, but for more, day trading. Yeah, they're still good, man. Yep. I have a payout coming with them next week. $14th, whatever that is, that'll be my next one. 14th of August, next Wednesday. Vancouver, Canada here. Nice, man. Tons of liquidity sitting at 24.01. Yeah, that would be great. That's what I'm trying to buy into, man. Yeah, that's good to know. That's what I'm trying to get into. I'm trying to buy it into there.
Could be a little morning star here too, potentially.
Yeah, I see that. Same as the 30.
Although I was going to say the 30's going to close in, 8 minutes?
Yeah, grabbing the previous 30 lows as well, without grabbing any of the highs.
Is there anywhere that, could you buy into the 30 close? Not really.
No, not really. If the 15 didn't close the way it did, I definitely would, but the way that 15 closed, grab the highs, rip bearish, I kind of need to see this actually close now. Nice.
You'd almost want it to hold and close above 2397.7, like the body of that big bearish candle on the 15.
Yeah, once we do get a nice closure, we could easily grab these highs and actually keep pushing more. But there's more upside once you break these highs. So it's not, the whole trade isn't just into here. Like we can come all the way back up into here and these highs. And if you get it from somewhere around here, you got about 17 there, but if you run up into that next resistance, you're talking like 40 to 50. So I'm gonna wait for that 15 close. 15 close. How long is that? 6 minutes. Yeah, cool. Give me 2 seconds, guys. I'll be back in 2 seconds. Why's my laptop not charging? What the fuck? Oh no. Why are you not charging? Oh, there we go. Yeah, this 30 close could actually be really nice here. This 30 close could be
The
really
last
nice.
five of the 32.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, I like that. I was thinking the same, man. Next bottom wick on the 30. Risk off the previous 30 low. And you could be in for a nice push up. I panicked into a short. Yeah, this 30 can close a little bit doji. Next 30 bottom wick. And then you got nice buys. You're getting longs from anywhere around like this low here. 40 into there.
Naughty
Full
40.
margin.
Full margin.
Full beans.
To the moon. How much did that little 5 flip morning star give? 16. Oh, I kind of want to see this 5 close a little bit bullish though to give us a nice 30 close. I don't want to see this 5 close bearish. What time is it? 8:27.
There's not really been much news this week, eh?
Nah, like none, man. None. Still had
Strange.
crazy volume. Sometimes it can be harder, man. Sometimes it can be. I mean, with no news week, sometimes it can be very quiet. But this week's been the complete opposite, actually. But usually if there's no news, it's very quiet. This 30 is closing too bearish to buy here. Too bearish to buy. And I also can't sell it because we're literally at 30 support, 30 in hourly support. Why would you sell it here? You sell it here, you'll look back and you'll be like, why the fuck did I sell gold there? But yeah, no, yeah, usually no news weeks means you can be very choppy. Which we have, to be fair, we have kind of been pretty choppy overall, but the chop volumes have been huge, and it's been actually worthwhile. Next week you got good news. You got PPI on Tuesday. You got CPI on Wednesday, retail sales on Thursday, and then that's it. So you got good news next week. Then you got what, FOMC the week after? Yeah, 30 closed bearish, 15 closed doji. 5 minutes just in a range.
A bit meh.
Yeah, very meh. If anyone did take these buys on this little 5 minute morning star, you'd be out of break even once you grab these highs. You take your risk off the table. You'd be back at break even. If you did that, stop loss would be there. You would have hit what? 16. Trying to play it up much higher, but definitely break even. catch you tomorrow. Cheers, Aaron. Yeah, see you next time, man. Tomorrow we'll do the New York stream. New York stream tomorrow.
I'll try and jump on that one.
Yeah, cool, man. About half 12 London time. 12, half 12 one.
Okay.
Catch the buy earlier. 23.88. Down here. Oh, is that on the futures maybe? I'm not too sure. No. 23.88. Where's that? It's all the way down there. These ones. It's probably around 9 p.m. ish, I think, man. I think it's around 9 p.m. ish. Maybe 10. Nah, I didn't get these buys now. It's at 4:30 my time. Yeah. I only jumped on the charts like here. I didn't even get this nice push up. This is probably the nicest push. This is a beautiful push. That was nice as well, actually. 4:30 London time was a nice push. London closed Fridays. Now London's open as well. Some guys just want to jump on some New York sessions whilst we're here in Europe. Trade US 30. It doesn't move in my time zone, and it doesn't move as nice as gold to me. To me, gold moves better in every single session, is more consistent. US 30 is very inconsistent for me, and I don't trade New York session. But yeah, gold just gives more than enough and moves nicer, in my opinion, that I don't need to worry about anything else. And they also move completely different. So if you try and trade gold, you try and trade US 30, you're going to completely confuse yourself. They move very, very different. Instant bottom wick into the previous lows here. Still calling us that major support level. Maybe the next 30, maybe this 30 will be the rejection, and the next 30 will be the bottom wick. Maybe. Nothing's very clear right now.
I was on mute, sorry. Do you think that's enough of a liquidity grab, that one there?
Yeah, it looked like the nice grab to see us rip.
Yeah. Just.
I reckon if Sammy was on stream, volume would pick up. Yeah, absolutely it would. Gold would be going to the moon right now. I absolutely would.
This 30 could close quite bullish, would be nice. Please.
Yeah, I know. I reckon it's going to happen on this next 30. I feel like we kind of have to wait for that 30 close now.
At least the 15, eh?
At least, yeah, at least. Yeah, it really is holding that support. That's why I didn't want to short it. You take these gold sells, so you have no target. You're just kind of shorting and hoping for the best. But if we can actually confirm that this support is ready to be held, we can start looking for longs. We just haven't really confirmed that just yet. Tried to here, but you also found resistance. Here, look. Resistance, support. And then you break below that level, you come into another ugly one. If you close back above this level, then lovely gold buys. Or close below here, you get some sells. So you got buys above here, like sells below there. Anything in between these two levels is, yeah, kind of tricky. Kind of tricky. Yeah, look how strong this level is. It's a huge level. Huge level. I think the hourly's grabbing previous hourly lows. No, not grabbed anything. Hasn't grabbed any highs though. Look at this.
I'm really favouring them being taken out.
Yeah, me too, man. Me too.
Not gonna lie.
I know, you could even just look for the flip of the hourly. Flip of the hourly, risk off the low, you got about 30. I mean, 30 ticks on an hourly flip is not that much. Trying to get back above here though.
Yeah.
Trying to. Most traded pair is, I assume it would be Euro USD. $12:37 AM here, Vancouver. Yeah, all good, man. See you tomorrow, man. No, I don't at all, no.
Like, I know we've spoken about it before, but I still have it on in the background.
Hmm. Yeah, no, I never look at it.
Come on, Goldie.
You can use this one. Just give him the discount. Other than what's on there, I don't think there is any other ones at the minute. Come on, Goldie, give us something. Give us something. Show us something here, Goldie. fuck's going on here? You went to college? Yeah, I did. I went to university. Yep, I did, man. Not to do with anything that I did now, but yeah, I went to university, man. Yep. $15 looking quite nice here, actually.
Yeah. Big wick on the 5.
Yeah, big look at the 5. Yeah, 15 is looking quite nice here. Five minute trying to get back above here as well. Last 5 of the 15 here. 15 is looking pretty strong. Regrab the 15 lows, about to close potentially bullish. If I was a crazy mofo, I would take that right now. I'm gonna wait for the 15 close though. But if we start getting some volume, I will watch it, but
It wasn't.
don't close too
Oh,
bearish
God.
here, gold. Because the 15 won't close as nice. I really want to see this 5 hold above this level, so we get that nice 15 closure.
Don't be that guy.
Hmm. 30 seconds. It's not. I mean, it's not the worst 15 close in the world, but it's just doji. That's the only thing. It's just there's no volume. It's still kind of grabbed the lows, holding support, but it's also holding resistance. Okay, just here. I really wanted to see us close above. Unless you get an instant bottom wick and you can take risky buys, risk off the low, in order for it to re-grab these highs. But yeah. Yeah, being chopped up. Yeah, that's it, man. That's what I don't want to do. I don't want to take a trade for the sake of taking a trade. You just get chopped up. Longs do look really nice because you got liquidity targets, but there's no breakout yet. There's no breakout. There's no volume. So you're trying to take a trade before that, which sometimes is fine. But you just have to manage risk aggressively. And with no bottom wick on this 15, I will not be taking it. I would want this 15 to pull down first before then go long. Yeah, I think you might have to wait for that 30. Yeah. Unless you now come back down from here and grab the lows, then you can take buys off that high maybe. You need a bottom wick on this 15 though. Instant top wick makes you think you're going to grab the highs in this range.
Might have to come back for midday and later on in the day, I think.
Yeah, I think so, man. Bit of a choppy. I mean, London has had a nice push today. It was just at 7:20 before we managed to get on today. It had a lovely push. So that's why you kind of just gonna chop.
Like, I don't think I would have, because it was just ripped straight away, hey?
Yeah, not on the 5. Yeah, maybe on the if you were just watching the 15, but it was kind of tricky. Yeah, it was pretty tricky. That's the thing. You never know. But yeah, to be honest, it would have been pretty difficult to catch that.
Yeah, I don't think you can be too harsh on ourselves for missing that, regardless of.
Nah. I get my 20 easier than that today.
Yeah. This is alright though.
Sat in a jacuzzi pain for 2 hours. Yeah, it's more so just looking at price action, like being bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish. It's more so if it's just in the range or not. And right now you are. If there was a bottom wick on this 15, we could be buying here, but there's literally no bottom wick on this 15. Tiny one, but it doesn't really count. Just opening, rip higher. Took profit, I'm out. Yeah, nice work, man. Nice work. Good job, man. Yeah, you want to take profit because you're coming back into 15 resistance again. 15 resistance is right here. Look how ugly this is. Resistance, resistance, support. With no bottom wick on this 15. So now you come right back down again. Yeah, the way this is now created a massive top wick and now come back down. I honestly don't think we're gonna see a trade here today, unfortunately. Which unfortunately we've had a trade every day this week, but I don't think today I'm gonna take one. Well, not yet anyway. Not on the London session. I'm not even gonna short this. You know, this is a lovely grab of the highs, but you take sales here. Like, where's your targets? You have no targets. Otherwise, I would be shorting this. Fix myself some brekkie. Yeah, good shout, man. Good shout. I don't think you'll miss anything, man. You have an alert probably above here. Maybe back down below here as well. You wouldn't take sales till you get back down here anyway. Seven ticks, man. 16 ticks. Profitable just from watching your streams. Good, man. That's what we like to hear. You've now grabbed the lows, which is nice. You now create a bottom wick on the 15. So if you now close bullish, great. Now that you have that bottom wick on the 15, that's what we needed to create. So if you now get back above, now that you have that bottom wick on the 15, great. Now you can actually start looking for it. Uh, 92.5. Not really, because that kind of was the liquidity grab. And it's definitely an area you could revisit, but it's not really like a liquidity area for me. That was one I certainly wouldn't short into anyway. Thanks for the stream. Doing the Lord's work. Thank you, man. Appreciate you tuning in. See you tomorrow, man. No targets and choppy market down there. No trade range. Yeah, absolutely, man. I agree. We're probably going to get a bit of a doji hourly close, I would assume. Real, man. Thank you, man. Makes bank this week, it still shows up and does live stream. Great, appreciate it. Yeah, thank you, man. 100%. I could have been done. I could have been done on Monday. I honestly could have taken the rest of the month off on Monday. That was still on these streams. But yeah, it's been a very good trip here being back in Europe. I've had some fantastic trades. Some fantastic trades. Yeah, sometimes, Bradley. Yeah, it's kind of sometimes I like my own home setup, and sometimes I trade better when I'm away, man. Yeah, I think more so me here now, like being on this time zone has definitely helped. Like the trades I took on Monday, they're massive swing sales. Well, if I was back home after the stream, I usually go and cook dinner, so I wouldn't have been able to watch them. Whereas here, I was able to sit around and watch it because it was only like 10 a.m. I always leave a little like. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Like count doesn't justify the views. I know, man. I know. 53 is good. I'll take 53. We got 2 gold. Nothing yet. 15's grabbing the highs, trying to come back down here. How's the hourly looking? 30 minutes looking a bit meh. Hourly's about to close, probably doji.
Right, I'm gonna love you and leave you.
Yep, all good, man.
I got things to do. I'll be back on midday.
Yeah, cool, man. Cool.
Most likely. So I'll let you guys know.
Sweet.
Alright.
See you, bro.
Have a good one, guys.
Talk to you soon, man.
Good to see you.
See you, man.
Bye.
Bye, man. Bye. Yeah, I'm just waiting for this. Wait for this hourly close. Simplicity is the key in this business. Absolutely, it's the key, man. Absolutely. I was thinking you could, drop down to a lower time frame, like the 1 minute, and start over complicating this. But for me, I'm literally looking here at the 30 and the hourly and be like, does the 30 and hourly make sense? No. Cool. And there's your answer. Here's your full port Friday. Absolutely, man.
You said earlier you're not mad about it. It's been a good week.
No, I don't mind. Yeah, I could fucking sit here for 2 hours, not take a single trade, and be totally okay. I'd love to take a trade, but at the same time, I couldn't care less if I don't. I need to record a trade breakdown actually of the trade that we took yesterday and the day before. That was the sales we took yesterday. And then what trade did we take on? I always forget what trade we took. Buys on. Did we take buys on Tuesday? Yeah, I'm pretty sure we took buys on Tuesday. We took sales yesterday and then buys on Tuesday. Yeah, I need to record a recap of them 2 trades as well. We haven't had a single loss this week on stream. Not one loss. I don't think we did last week either. No losses.
It's funny, hey, why don't you do breakdowns of your losses?
I don't take any. I don't know what that is.
Don't take losses. It's because you heard Aled had 100% hit rate, so you've got a fire in your belly.
Yeah, when Aled shows a loss, I will. Aled has 100% win rate, so do I. Look at this 4 hours as well. Remember, there's still not much of a bottom wick on this daily. And this could just be one big top wick for this just to flip bearish and have a big drive down. But you may grab some highs first. But that 4 hour It's going to close in an hour. If it closes like, you know, maybe back below here, you got an evening 4-hour star play back down into here, which will probably make the most sense. So if we don't get a trade, which we're not in the next 4 minutes, I'm probably going to wait for that 4-hour close, which is only an hour away. I kind of need like another hour's worth of price action. Yeah, I'm glad we haven't traded in here. A lot of people would have got chopped up in here today. You know, some nice longs, break even, some nice shorts, break even. And then break evens ruin your psychology. Whereas for me, we've sat here, we stayed very, very patient as paid. Remember that next trade's always right around the corner. Don't force it right now. At some point today, there'll be better volume with clearer direction and clear liquidity targets. If you don't see it right now, that's totally okay. The markets are going nowhere. I'm just waiting for this hourly close here. Because the second we decide to jump off...
I'm going to jump off, man, and go
Alright,
get
man.
some dinner.
Yeah, nice, man. Enjoy.
Yeah, everyone. Trade safe.
Talk to you soon, man.
Bye.
See you, man. Not yet. Oh, we got 2 minutes. 2 minutes. What's that? What's oil been up to recently? Oil still pushing lower? Back below 75. Look at that. Massive range. Price is getting choppy in London session, trendy in Asian for a few weeks. Volume should now. For me, London's been amazing the past couple of months. Actually, I've had a trade like almost every session. I'm not sure. Maybe there hasn't been trades for your Plymouth, which is totally okay. But for me personally, London's been amazing recently. Today's probably the slowest day I've seen in a while, but recently, yeah, London's been fantastic. I mean, London still has been good today. You had a 80 tick push at 7:30. Look on the 30. Huge gold buys from respect to this level from 5 AM till 7:30. Huge push. Huge push. Let's see how Audi's going to close in 1 minute. If it closes like this, I'm personally going to wait for the 4 hour, because the hourly looks to me like you need to grab these highs. But then I look at the 4 hour, and the 4 hour is like, oh well, maybe if we close doji, we could actually be selling off. So to me, the hourly and the 4 hourly are completely contradicting themselves right now. But the hourly, 4 hourly holds more weight. So I think I'm going to have to wait for that to close. So I don't want to give you guys any direction right now, because I don't really have any. I do believe that, you know, you could grab these highs on the hourly, but then, like I say, look at the 4 hours, it's completely different. So personally, I'm going to wait for that 4 hourly to close in just over an hour. Because once that 4 hour closes, either bullish, bearish, or doji, it's going to paint the picture for the next 4 hours. So rather than trying to force a trade now, well, let's just wait for that to close, and hopefully it gives us more direction for the rest of the day. You know, 15 has closed back above this level. If you had an instant bottom wick, you could look for the flip to try and fulfill this range and then see how the 4 hour closes, but you're opening with an instant top wick, which makes me think you can then come back down, and you're just going to range until that. So yeah, you guys on Zoom, no trades today, but good patience day. And I'll update you guys in the trade setups once we get this 4 hour close. But yeah, good session today, lots of value. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Cheers, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Bye. All right, YouTube fam, I'm going to wrap up there. Bit of a choppy session today. No trades taken, but no trades is still a win to me. We're still on like a 100% win rate this week, and the same as last week as well. I'm not looking to give it back by trying to take a trade for the sake of it. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for the New York session. There'll be no London session tomorrow, but we'll be jumping on a live stream for the New York session. So trade safe for the rest of the day. You guys know what we're looking at, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Peace.